Okay, our first step in this streaming adventure is we're going to download OBS Studios. OBS Studios is a piece of software that lets you show multiple inputs from your computer and outside sources onto different platforms. And we're going to be using this with something like Skype, or with Zoom, or with Hangouts, or with Blackboard, or with YouTube, or with Facebook. So after we download OBS Studios, we run the installer. It's a typical installer. And then once OBS is installed, we're going to install something that will let it be treated as a camera, right? Because right now it's a third-party application, and Skype needs a camera, or Zoom needs a camera, or Hangouts needs a camera, or Blackboard needs a camera. And this will turn our input into a camera, right? We install that. Should be a-okay, and we open up OBS, right? You'll see a screen just like this. If we go up to Tools, we should see Virtual Cam is installed and is working just fine, and we'll get to that in the next tutorial. So we need one more third party. It's called NDI. What does it stand for? NDI, Network Device Interface. We're going to download right there. What this does is this connects the audio from OBS to Skype. So after you fill in all the information, it'll prompt you with the download window. You download for Windows. You should see it in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Thank you all. I'll see you in just a little bit.